Yes, I know. There you go. And that's what your table should look like now. Now you can actually see the table going on. Let's do another one.
Don't forget it's supposed to do that.
Turn off your monitors. Let's go back to notes. That would be Okay, we're going to do another table. Again, I'm going to give you a visual. Here's your visual. How many rows? How many table datas? 6. How many rows? Row number 1. Row number 2. And all of these little squares are TDs. Okay? Let's fill those squares with some information. Okay? Promoting a little free advertisement.
You really like SEO.
I really do. You know, we are number 1 in the district. We are almost number 1 in the state. That's right. I really don't care if we're number 1 anymore. I
But we
made my
were at
goal.
one.
What's that?
But we were at one.
We were. We still are. It's currently, we're still there. Okay, let's start this table with some HTML. Let's give it a border of 1. That's not negative, that's equals. Okay? Now we started our table, we go to our rows first. We begin a table row. Okay? And in our table row, we're going to have 3 table datas. Before we can get to the next one, we got to end the previous one. Let's start the first table data. Again, this is the data set. Table data, the letter F, end your table data. What's the next table data? What's our next table data? What do we do next? Oh, you're so smart, Sam. You're right. I have 1, 2, 3 datas in row number 1. I have 1, 2, 3 datas in row number 1. I'm going to end my first table row. Again, HTML does not specify between row 1, row 2, row 3. It's all oblivious to it. It doesn't care. It just knows row. Now what do I do? Start a new table row. Yes, very good. Thank you. So I'm ready to start a new table row. I'm going to put a space there. If you guys want to enter down in code, perfect. If it keeps you organized, great. It's not going to space out your table. Okay, so I'm going to start a new table row, and I have some data to put in that first table row. Am I correct? What is my first data? A. And that table data. What's my second data? The number sign. I'm going to end that table data. And what's my last table data? The number 1, okay? So I'll do table data. A 1. I'll end that table data. Am I done with my row 2? What do I do? End my row. Then what do I do? And I'm going to end my table because I'm done with it. Please, underneath your current table, give me a new table that looks like this. Yes, sir.
Center it, we can just start that at the beginning of the page and also.
Yes. Actually, all you have to do up here is put in center. Right above it or right in front of it, yes. And if you want, you can center this table. That's fine. Here we go. Here's a really good one.
Do we need to draw this? Oh wait, never mind.
You do. I draw, you draw.
Ain't that amazing?
I was just about to say that, but then I realized that would be a question.
Okay, this is not a table within a table. We will do those. Okay, this is text, and inside this table data is a picture of the FBLA logo. Okay, it's not a table within a table, it's actually a picture. How many rows do I have? 2. A row. And how many table datas do I have? Very good. One table data is going to have text in it, the other table data, we're going to put a picture in it. Okay, so let's open up Google. I need one person to open up Google. You got it, Kyle? Google, go to Google. Type in FBLA logo, go to images. Yep, FBLA logo, go to images. Okay, click on that. Click on that one. Let's save it. Right click, save it as logo. Put it in your folder. Okay, now that we have the logo saved, again, the file name is going to be logo. Did you see that? Is it a JPEG or GIF? Logo.gif. You can go out and get your own logos in a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do your code, then I'll set you free on that. Okay, we got 2 rows, we got 2 table datas. Let's go ahead and we're going to put some P's going on here, and I'm going to explain how you get away from the P's tomorrow. What does the P's in this code mean? Paragraph or spaces down, right? We're going to space between our current table that we're on to our new table that we're going to begin. Okay, so we'll start table, order, equals 1. We got a table row. In that table row, we got table data. And what's that table data say? FBLA. I'm done with my table data. Am I done with my table row?
No.
Yes.
You didn't end it.
Well, I ended my table data. Am I done with my table row? Yeah. So now, Sam, I want to end my table row. You understand? Yes? Okay. Am I ready for my next table row? If it makes sense for you to scroll down, enter down. I'm ready for my next table row. It's got 1 data cell in it, correct? So I'm going to have table data. Okay. Very good. So once you save your image in your FBLA website folder that we just created, you're going to put that image in with ing space src equals, and if it's a GIF, again, be careful of the one you save. If it's a GIF, name it logo and put in GIF, or if it's a JPEG, put in JPG. Remember, we dropped the E. Very good. We end our table data. Are we done with that row? Okay, so let's end that row. Are we done with our table? So let's end our table. Okay, first thing I want you to do, go out and find an FBLA logo. It doesn't have to be a GIF, but know that this may be different than what I wrote up here on the board, depending on what it is. Name it logo and set this table up. If I need to scroll up, let me know.